Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make product photography light box from cardboard box. So let's get started. So in this project you need a cardboard box, 12-volt LED lights, white sheet, glue, and 12-volt adapter. So first you need to cut the cardboard box front side and make sure you have that front board, because later we can use that to close the cardboard box. So once you cut down, place white sheet on all sides. I'm using chart paper which is good GSM. Only important thing is you need to place a long white sheet on the front so it covers both the front side and as well as the bottom. Using a long sheet for both sides it's good because while taking pictures it won't look like two separate pieces. After placing all white sheets you need to place LED lights according to your requirements. I'm using 12-volt 3 LED lights which I bought from a local store for under 60 rupees which is under $1. You can use as many LEDs as you want. I'm using a 12-volt adapter for connecting these LED lights. For placing I'm gonna place one on left, one on right and another one is on top. So once you have done this you can place that piece of cardboard box which you cut at the beginning. Place it on the front side, so that you can close it when you're not using it. Here are some sample videos and pictures which I took from this cardboard light box. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you to make then please drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell icon. I see you guys on another exciting video.